It's been a wild and crazy year for the garden. I do have good production. If I could only eat chard 3 meals a day. After quite a bit of work, I am starting to see, eggplant. Very slow growing, been in the ground a long time. Apparently if you just water, and fertilize enough, you'll get eggplant. Green things have been growing. I've picked quite a few bell peppers already. Chard has popped up all over. Cauliflower gone to seed. Bay leaf. Excuse my sneezing. I have little bitty carrots. After months, I have little bitty carrots, but I'm going to keep working at growing them because what the heck. Yeah, the squash. These are pumpkins, but I'm not really seeing too many pumpkins here. There's one. There's another. Like a little bit of pumpkin. Not enough. Alright, but not enough sun for the pumpkins, but the tomatoes are doing good. Alright, they're coming through. I'm starting to eat them. Just have to squeeze in here to find them. Yeah, tomatoes, the cherry tomatoes are coming through. And I've had so many of these beautiful things already, and they just keep growing. And rosemary, shiso, grow shiso. You can't eat a lot of it, but what you can is beautiful, and it's a great looking bush. Yeah, there's another. Yeah, and let's see. I did get purple blush beans. Still purple blush beans from this thing. I got purple blush beans. Okay, let's go look at the other side. This is just the Spirea japonica. I didn't get that many strawberries. I think the problem with the strawberries is the squirrels get them before I do. Simple as that. I got good growth on my string beans, pole beans, and now I'm getting some pole beans, but it's taken a while. This is a mess, but yeah, I've had some fava beans. I planted just like 6 or 8 and had some fava beans. I love them, actually. Next year I'm going to plant the rest of this. Okay, so four elderberry. These are black lace. And these things, this year, they've just overproduced. I can't eat enough of them. This is the one that's actually one of the weakest. And it's producing well. Yeah, I should be canning all my elderberry. Okay, so this little squash plant, I put at the end of my automated. Yeah, so I'm gonna get squash out of this guy, and it's like bigger squash. And see, it's growing like over there. Gotten into the elderberry here. This is the big elderberry. Lots of elderberry, lots of berries this year. And yeah, I picked quite a bit of squash already. So much squash. What do you do with all the squash? What do you do with it all? You have to give some away. Anyway, let's go around the other side. I made 6 quarts of applesauce. from that tree there. And there isn't a single green apple left on it. It really, really produced this year. Really produced. The cherry tree did not. It was, unfortunately, lost most of its berries in early wind. All right, but I've got a watering system for the elderberries and the early campaign, and for Bellingham red apple. This thing's amazing. Every year it gives me just tons of fruit. I have some wild raspberry canes growing here, which I don't know what to do with. And I've tortured a lemon here. This gets nowhere near enough sun to actually produce. I'm going to change this situation. Anyway, more elderberries. So I love this little corner here because the early campaign is held up by the elderberries. And I love my Anula Helenium. Just huge this year. And then as we disappear in here, we find, yes, more apples, wasps. Just disturbed a bunch of wasps. I love the Anula Helenium as well. And then, of course, spiders. And I've already picked quite a lot of squash. And there's more in here. So, now, let's take a look from the other side. Tomatoes. These are the non-cherry tomatoes. And they are actually growing quite spectacularly. These kind of, yeah. So they're coming around. There's some more over there. Look at that. Oh, maybe I can't quite get that in the frame. There will be tomatoes. They've survived enough wind. And some of them are growing right up into the top of the apple tree. Let's see, any more? There's some cherries here growing, some cherry tomatoes, I think. Yeah, somewhere here. Yeah, that's an apple. And somewhere here is cherry tomatoes, more cherry tomatoes. Yeah.